This video covers the pre-review concept of decimals to fractions. So, what we mean by decimals to fractions is converting decimals into equivalent fractions. So let me use my mouse pointer as a pen. So the hook or the quick point to know is, number one, you write the numbers after the decimal point in the numerator and the place of the last digit in the denominator. So for example, we have 0.25 as a decimal. The 25 is written in the numerator, so you see this 25 is written up here in the numerator. And the 5 is in the hundredths place, so we put 100 in the denominator. Then we look to see if we can simplify. So we know that the greatest common factor of 25 and 100 is 25, so we divide the top and the bottom by 25. Now doing this, dividing the top and the bottom by the same number, is equivalent to dividing by 1. So that means we'll end up with a fraction that has the same ratio as the previous fraction. So dividing the top and the bottom by 25 gives us 1/4. So that means that 0.25 is equivalent to 1/4 when converted to a fraction. So as a reminder, we have our decimal place values, and below we see that the 7 is in the tenths place, the 1 in the hundredths place, the 8 in the thousandths place, the 2 in the 10,000ths place, the 3 in the 100,000ths place, and the 9 in the millions place, which gives us, in order after the decimal, the names of the different place values. So first value is tenths, then we have hundredths, then thousandths, then ten thousandths, then 100,000ths, then millions. So time to do an example. We need to write 0.375 as a fraction and need to remember to simplify if possible. So first we start out with writing the number after the decimal point in our numerator. So we have 3, 7, and 5 in our numerator. Then we look to see what place the 5 is in. The 5 is in the thousandths place, so that means that we put 1,000 in the denominator. So now we have to think what number can go into both 375 and 1,000. And we look and we see and we think, 25 can go into both. So then for 25, we have to divide the top and the bottom by 25. So we do that. And then we divide, or then this is division sign, so we divide top and bottom by 25, and that gives us 15 over 40. And then we look, can we divide it further? Yes, we can. So we divide top and the bottom by 5, since 5 is the largest number that goes into both 15 and 40. So when we do that, we get 3 over 8, or A as our answer. We can also, if we're going to simplify, just divide 375 and 1,000 by the greatest common factor of both of those numbers. Let's make that a division sign, which in this case is 125. So if we divide the top and the bottom by 125, then we'll get 3/8 again. So that means that 375, or 0.375, written as a fraction is 3/8. I hope that helps.